Hey, look, man, I'm trying to learn. He's trying to learn. I'm trying to teach him. So interacting with,
I apologize.
with something like
that,
that, so I can
back
explain
over
to
here?
him.
I can explain to him.
Right there. Yeah, I already explained to him. Don't worry.
All right, so, but I'm not sovereign.
So you just moved here 2 weeks ago.
I moved here May 8th. 4 West La Olas. How you say it? Las Olas.
Las Olas. So you're in Fort Lauderdale.
Yeah, Fort Lauderdale.
Can we get an exact address for you?
Yeah.
Hold on. Hey, you got something to write with? Come on. Exact address.
What's your address?
4 West.
4 West.
Las Olas. I'm still learning how to say it. Las Olas. Yeah, Las
Fort Lauderdale?
Olas. Yeah, Fort Lauderdale.
You know the zip code?
It's 33301.
3301.
So 4 West that's an address? It's an apartment or a house?
It's the building, apartment building.
Is there an apartment number?
What y'all need a number for?
Because we need to know the exact.
I don't want to provide that.
We need to. We need to.
Am I on a charge with something? Did you guys?
You need to. You have no tag on your car, man.
Yeah,
I don't have to give y'all the exact address.
You have to provide us with the information, your driver's license information, as well as your address, so that if we need to send anything to you, we can send it through you in the mail.
Well, I don't want you guys to send it to me in the mail. I want to refuse to do any business in contract. Now, whatever charge you guys bring it because no tag, now we understand that for there to be a crime, there must be a victim. So I want to ask who's the victim when I don't have a tag when I'm traveling?
State of Florida.
The state of Florida. So this is the state of Florida corporation or a natural person?
See, this is the same type of things.
I don't care what they sovereign. I'm not sovereign.
Same
I'm
type
not
of
sovereign.
things that sovereign citizens
If he told
say.
you I'm sovereign, I'm not sovereign.
Okay.
I'm a law-abiding consumer.
All right.
That knows the law. My family come a long line of attorneys. You see what I'm saying? We're not sovereign. We're law-abiding consumers.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? So anyway, I just moved here. All right, I'm not doing business. That's why I have a tag on my car. Okay, now if you guys want to force me to be in a situation where I need a tag, okay, we'll go to court and we'll deal with that. You feel what I'm saying? I've been in many cases like this before. That's why I'm saying you guys gonna do what you guys do. I'm gonna cooperate, whatever you guys need, but it's a lot of information that you guys don't need because right now this is willfully holding of a law-abiding consumer, a natural person. It's not a sovereign. I'm not sovereign at all. As you can see, I gave you guys my business card, state of South Carolina. But again, the state can't be a victim, guys. So when you say the state is the victim, if I go to court, that is an easy case to win.
Okay, no worries.
But I apologize if I seem like an asshole or anything like that. I just come with I'm from South Carolina, so I come through a lot of cops and have to deal with this.
All right, man. Same time, man.
Appreciate it. So you gotta know what's going on, because you gotta put me in the category. Oh, you're sovereign. See, I told that nigga I'm not sovereign, nigga. Them sovereign niggas be fucking us up that know the law. Them niggas think they can do whatever they want and say I'm sovereign. You know what I'm saying? But you heard what he said. I said, who the victim? Who he say?